Okay, wonderful. Moving on with session two, we will next hear from Elham Tabassi. She is a senior research scientist at the National Institute for Standards and Technology. Thank you.
Hello and welcome. NIST is excited to announce release of the Artificial Intelligence Risk Management Framework, or AI-RMF 1.0. Recognizing the promise of AI technologies, as well as the risks entailed, Congress directed NIST, the National Institute of Standards and Technology, to develop the framework. This video introduces and explains how organizations and individuals can use the AI-RMF. Over the past 18 months, NIST has been working in collaboration with the private and public sectors, including companies, government agencies, academia, and nonprofit organizations representing civil society and consumers, to develop the AI risk management framework. NIST held 3 workshops and received more than 400 sets of comments from about 240 organizations in the US and around the world on the several draft versions. The framework is a voluntary, rights-preserving, and non-sector-specific resource for organizations designing, developing, deploying, or using AI systems to help them manage AI risks and responsibly build and deploy trustworthy AI systems. It was designed to be general enough so that entities in different disciplines or domains can apply it flexibly for their own use cases, and for organizations of all sizes, in all sectors, and throughout society to use the approaches laid out in the framework. The AI-RMF includes helpful explanations about how to frame and manage risks as a path to minimize potential negative impacts of AI systems, such as threats to civil liberties and civil rights, or impacts felt by communities, society, and the environment, while providing opportunities to maximize the positive impacts of AI. Managing AI risk is challenging. The framework offers insights about management difficulties, including measuring risks, risk tolerance, risk prioritization, and methods for integrating these risk management concepts applied to AI into organizational practice. Identifying and managing AI risks and potential impacts requires a broad set of perspectives and actors. The AI-RMF describes different groups of AI actors who work across the AI lifecycle and associated dimensions, including for testing, evaluation, verification, and validation tasks, and share a collective responsibility for successful risk management. Ideally, AI actors will be multidisciplinary and reflect demographic diversity, as well as diversity of experience, expertise, and backgrounds. Enhancing AI trustworthiness can reduce negative risks and impacts. The framework articulates key characteristics of trustworthy AI and offers guidance for addressing them. Neglecting these characteristics can increase the probability and magnitude of negative consequences. Trustworthy AI systems are valid and reliable, safe, secure and resilient, accountable and transparent, explainable and interpretable, privacy enhanced, and fair, with their harmful bias managed. Creating trustworthy AI requires balancing each of these characteristics within the AI system's context of use. While all characteristics are socio-technical system attributes, accountability and transparency also relate to the processes and activities internal to an AI system and its external setting. The AI-RMF core is composed of 4 functions: govern, map, measure, and manage. Each of these functions is broken down into categories and subcategories. In all, the framework includes 4 functions, 19 categories, and 72 subcategories. These functions can be used in any order, but typically begin with the govern function and continue to map, measure, and manage. Risk management should be continuous, timely, and performed by AI actors throughout the AI system lifecycle dimensions. NIST has also produced a companion, voluntary AI-RMF playbook for users to navigate the AI-RMF. It contains actionable suggestions for achieving the outcomes described in the framework core. As a dynamic online resource, the playbook provides a venue for the community to build out suggested practices and learn from others. NIST intends to update the playbook approximately twice per year and will rely heavily on suggestions and feedback from the broader community. The AI-RMF is very much a community venture. NIST led its development, but the input from companies, civil society, government agencies, and academia in the US and around the world made the framework possible. This collaboration will continue. The framework will evolve as AI technologies and our understanding of trustworthiness and risk advance. There are multiple ways to help others use the framework. NIST encourages anyone to submit existing guidance or develop new guidance, individually or in collaboration with others, such as an AI RMF profile. Profiles can help advance the use of the framework and are encouraged. They provide an opportunity for interested parties to come together and build a version of AI RMF guidance suited to their specific use cases, whether that's for an industry sector, workflow, or task. Another way for the community to help out is for AI RMF users to periodically evaluate and capture insights about whether the framework has improved their ability to manage AI risks. We want to hear about your experiences using the AI RMF so we can measure its effectiveness. Now that we have an AI RMF, NIST intends to build on that work and collaborate with others to align the AI RMF to AI standards and develop additional guidance along with metrics, methodologies, and goals for evaluating the framework's effectiveness. NIST will also launch a Trustworthy and Responsible AI Resource Center to house all of this guidance and community contributions. There is a wealth of information about the AI Risk Management Framework on NIST's website, and NIST welcomes questions and suggestions at any time. The community's involvement will be vital in helping NIST to advance trustworthy AI and risk management.